organic. My turkey neck is turkey necking. Oh my god. Well, excusez-moi. These ones in the refrigerator section are so much cheaper than ones in the bakery section. How many fruit you have? I got hot. This is fresh is best salsa. I think it was on sale. I hope it's good. I should have filmed me trying some boots on with my dog at the pet store yesterday. That was fucking so funny. My poor thing. I had to try them on though. I mean, it's to protect her feet. Mmm. Oh my god. That's fucking good. Okay. Mmm. Fresh is best is right. This is the hot flavor. I love these chips. They're nice and thin and not too salty. I can't stand the tortilla chips in the market. They're all so fucking salty. I can't stand the really salty chips. Ugh. Salt is so bad for you. So, I mean, if you're already gonna eat processed food like I do, cut it where you can. Stan. Mmm. It's fucking good. I was yelling earlier. I forgot the window was down. Nobody's taking it from you. I know, I'm suddenly like ravenous because it's so good. These little boats. Like little pizza boats. Choo choo. Mmm. 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 Oh my god, that's good. And it was on sale. I can double dip if I want. It's my salsa. You don't need to though, because it's like such a small chip. It's like a perfect size chip for a perfect bite. Mmm. So fucking good. Mmm. It's gonna be a good video. While eating. Oh well. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Stuff my face. Wow, so good. I already ate like a quarter. The chips are good. They're not salty at all. I appreciate that so much. Mmm. Notice that every student looks exactly the same now. They all dress the same. Like really baggy sweatpants. White sneakers. Something cropped. Maybe a hoodie. Can't start eating. Oh my god, that smells so cute. Mmm. Okay, my teeth fixed. Mm. Oh. I wish I never play guitar. I said that a long time ago. I was a lot younger, and my brother, for Christmas I think it was, or my birthday. My birthday's very close to Christmas. Oh my god, that's so cute. Little Shiba Inu. I'm dog obsessed, I know. He gave me, he got me a pre-owned guitar to learn. Of course I never did. But, not that it's an excuse, but it didn't fit. I'm not very tall. I'm 5'5". My arms are not very long. And I was chunkier at the time. So there's a little more girth around my midsection. And it's hard to hold a guitar when you're chunky. I said chunky. And put your arm over and try to find the keys, and like it's almost feels like unnatural. So I'd like to try again, but I think I would need a smaller guitar to comfortably, like, I feel my brain is atrophying. Oh no, baby schnauzer. Fucking cutie. God damn, there isn't a dog that I've ever met that I didn't love. Not one. Nope. I should open her door for her. Dummy. Guys, young men, be a gentleman. It's just nice. It's just a nice feeling. It makes the girl feel good. You know, and like, don't take advantage. Don't manipulate. Don't take advantage. Just be a kind person. You know, have fun and just like get to know each other, and don't use each other. You do so much more damage when you use relationships as temporary fixes. You know, and sometimes fruit tastes like perfume. It grosses me out. Like I said, my brain is atrophying. Oh, story time. Earlier when I was at Winners, I was leaving, and there's a back alley route. It's an actual route you can get from the back end, and you connect to the main artery that goes onto the main street. Well, this bitch wouldn't let me in. I did not try to force myself in. I just came out to show that I was coming in. Signal. She gasses. She floors her gas. Like her vehicle actually made that sound. Just to make a point that, no bitch, I'm not letting you in, cunt. I'm never like that. I'm never like that. I'm not rude to you unless you're rude to me. I thought, wow. What a fucking bitch. And damn, does she look like a bitch too. She was like sitting there going, you can see her in the side view mirror, and I was like watching her, like, she was like this. Just like looking straight ahead, like just like total. I hate my life. I mean, I can relate. Why do you have a Canada flag? Some people are so weird. Who's talking? Doesn't mean I'm excluded. I'm just making an observation. Everybody's weird in different ways. It's interesting. And I ended up passing her anyways. But I also wanted to say, I can't remember. Face hat that I wanted, and I said, nope, I don't need it. And one of those fishing hats, like trail hats. Maybe it was a fishing hat because it had those loops, like those hooks on the front. What are you gonna hook onto there? Hello, my name is. Have you ever been to conferences where you have to put that sticker on? Hello, my name is. I don't want you to know my name. How about that? Hello, my name is, and then I put it like somewhere like you couldn't see it. It's like the shirt. They're looking for my name. Oh my. Oh, my gums hurt. Oh, goodbye.